Imagine stepping into a realm where your business dreams take flight on the wings of your first Amazon FBA venture. That's right. With our new program, launching your empire is not just a possibility, it's your upcoming reality. Now, let's talk about what's on the table. Over $1,000 in marketing secrets, absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. All these resources are just waiting to kickstart your journey, transforming maybe into definitely. Here's the best part. You don't have to say yes right away. Just a maybe will unlock these treasures for you. It's all about taking that first small step towards your massive leap in the digital marketplace. And why say maybe? Because we're giving you a 14-day free trial to our FBA Ascend program. This isn't just about getting your feet wet. It's about diving headfirst into the world of online selling with the best tools at your disposal. But let's sweeten the deal. Not only do you get the trial, but we're also throwing in a comprehensive toolkit. This includes everything from our newsletter FBA Success Strategies to an exclusive community where fellow entrepreneurs share their journeys. Think of this as your gateway to selling your first 1,000 products on Amazon. Our step-by-step guide doesn't just open doors, it breaks down barriers, ensuring your products don't just enter the market, but make a spectacular entrance. Still on the fence? Remember, all these resources, the community support, the tools, and the trial period come to you without any upfront cost. It's all about commitment to your success, commitment that costs you nothing today. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the maybe, step into this journey, and watch as your entrepreneurial dreams take shape. This is more than an invitation. It's a gateway to the empire you've always envisioned.